Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna be opening an Amazon Fire Stick from Lazada. Nakarating lang yun today. I bought this just 2 days ago and presyo niya nasa 2,347. So plus shipping, so mga nasa 2,400. Binili ko to dahil sa nagkakaroon kami ng problems when we are streaming Disney or HBO Max sa TV namin. Even though naka smart TV yung TV namin dito, kailangan pa dumaan sa VPN, and walang VPN app yung smart TV namin, so kailangan ko pa mag share ng VPN connection from my laptop to the TV. I got the Fire TV Stick 4K version, even though yung paggagamitan kong TV sa taas is hindi siya 4K, but it's just a normal 1080 TV. So ito siya. Let's see how we open this. And what's inside the box is manual, a micro USB to USB-A cord. This one is, what's this? Okay, this one is an HDMI extender. We have the remote. And it's using AAA batteries. It has an adapter, and it comes with 2 batteries. That's nice for the remote control. And this one is the main stick itself. So you know that. Let's try this, and let's walk through on how we will operate this device to work with VPNs para ma-access natin yung mga shows na currently naka-block sa mga Asian users like us. So yun, let's see how it goes. Ngayon testing natin ng Fire Stick dito sa room namin. We're just using a normal TV, hindi siya smart TV. We're able to control our TV using the remote without the need to use the normal remote ng television natin. So, lapag ko lang yan dyan. So ngayon, pakita ko lang sa inyo na gumagana pa rin siya as long as naka-on yung VPN natin. So, nakaset tayo dito sa country na to. Magamit ko is NordVPN, and nakita ko lang ulit na gumagana yung Disney Plus natin. So it might take a while depende sa speed ng internet na ginagamit natin para mag-load yung Disney Plus. So here I'm able to open up any shows, and let's just play whatever video that we can find. Then dito, pe-play ko lang yung trailer para lang iwas spoilers sa mga hindi pa nakakanood. So, yun siya. Okay, titigil ko na since baka ma-copyright pa tayo. Okay, so maliban dito sa Disney Plus, gagana din yung ibang region-restricted apps tulad ng HBO or Hulu. Play lang natin to. Play natin itong trailer lang just to check if magpi-play nga siya. Again, depende sa internet connection natin kung gaano kabilis ang pag-load ng videos.
All you have to do is follow my voice.
Alright, so yun, gumagana ang HBO Max. So let's try out Hulu. So let's see kung may mapiplay tayong video. Let's just play this.
I'm standing on the most secretive stage.
Okay. So, yun na nga. Everything's working great. And remind ko lang ulit na you won't be able to find these applications sa Amazon Store if hindi nakaset sa US ang Amazon account ninyo. That's the only thing that you need to do maliban sa paggamit ng VPN. I'm using Nord or Speedify to be able to access these applications. So yun. Also, let's check Amazon Prime Video. Yung Prime Video, it can work sa bansa natin even without a VPN, pero restricted karamihan ng mga shows. Lalabas ang karamihan ng mga shows pag naka-VPN tayo, and the content vary per region or per country na nakaset sa VPN ninyo. So again, let's try to play something. So, yun. Again, hindi ko na pa-play ng matagal. Baka strike pa tayo. So, that's it for the quick demo. Next up is that I'm going to be showing how to set up the device and how to create your US account so that you can download Disney Plus and the other region-restricted applications for the Fire Stick. Okay, this is my current setup na naka-connect ako sa nakakonect ako sa aking laptop na naka VPN share punta sa smart TV ko. And if you check here, makikita niyo yung Wi-Fi connection ko na hindi nakakabit sa PLDT but instead nakakonect sa Connectify Me, which is the program that I'm using to share my VPN to my smart TV. So kaya nga yung reason ko kaya bumili ng Amazon Fire Stick is so that I can bypass this whole setup and just using the dongle and connect it directly to a VPN service so I can access Hulu and Disney Plus. So let's see, connect tayo ngayon sa HDMI 2 where the Amazon Fire Stick is connected, and select tayo ng English. So I'm just using the Fire Stick controller, and we just need to connect to our router. So here we are connecting to our PLDT network. It might take a while, and for sure it's gonna check for updates and it's gonna download the latest software. And I'm just gonna pause this video and resume once the update is complete. Alright, so here we are, it's almost done. Update's almost complete. Yeah, so let's see. Let's try to connect to our Amazon account. So after natin connect yung device, malogin sa ating Amazon account, we just enter the code on our computer while we are logged into our account, and then we just once we hit accept, it's gonna register the TV or the device. Okay, so let's just go ahead with no parental controls and let's prepare our device for the setup. You'll be playing music during the next step. Please make sure the volume is turned up, then continue. Okay, we hear the music with your Fire TV. With a Fire TV remote, we're able to control the volume of our TV, so we don't need to be holding two remotes to manage the device, our TV and the Fire Stick. And yes, we did change the volume. Okay, that's nice. So we need to install Netflix and all the other applications. So download it. I also have I also use Plex. And then let's go back. I also use Nord. So let's do this. Let's see if Nord is already installed para ma-access natin. Login tayo sa ating account. First step is you need to change your Amazon country. You need to go to your Amazon account, go to manage your content and devices, go to preferences, and then within the preferences you need to change your country region settings. Change it to the United States, and then from there you can go back and check your account, and now you're able to get the application. So now it says here that you now own the Disney Plus, and let's go back to the TV and see if it's now showing up. So all I needed to do was to change the country settings. We now have Disney Plus, and currently tumatakbo pa rin yung NordVPN natin sa background. So it's gonna ask me to again log in with my details. And here we are, guys. Nakapasok na tayo sa Disney Plus natin. And yun na, nakapasok tayo. Let's see if makaka-play tayo ng palabas. Sandali lang. Ma-take down tayo. Ayos! There we have it. Success. Let's just stop it right there. And yun nga, I'm very happy with this purchase. Sayang lang, medyo nasayang ko yung pera ko doon sa Android TV na binili ko. I should have just spent a bit more on this device. You're not able to get this. Okay, may small glitch lang siya kanina. So yun nga, like as I was saying kanina, I'm very happy with this device. Yung interface niya sobrang ganda, very snappy lahat. Hindi mabagal. Yeah, so let's try it again here. Balik sa Disney Plus, see if it's working. Yeah, there we have it. Success. Napagana natin ng Disney Plus gamit yung Fire Stick using NordVPN and changing our Amazon account to use use US address. So I hope nakatulong itong small demonstration ko on how to use this product, and sana nakatulong sa pag-decide if this product is suitable for you or not. Okay guys, so I hope you like and subscribe. Adios.